Yes, so hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. I missed you and welcome to this chocolate chip cookie recipe. So today we'll be using some all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, brown sugar, butter, milk, some vanilla, eggs, and we'll be using chocolate today and my stand mixer. So guys, without further ado, let's get to the video. So basically guys, this video is not really going to be of me really talking that much because we have already done a similar recipe to this. Only thing, it's going to be chocolate chip this time. So we already know the procedure is we're gonna cream our butter and our sugars together, and yeah, we're just gonna dump in all of that. Yes, get it in there. So it's 1 cup of brown sugar that I'm putting into the bowl. So yeah guys, we added our half cup of granulated sugar. Now we're gonna add our eggs, or 3 large eggs guys. After adding our vanilla, we're just gonna put this bowl on the mixer and get these ingredients all mixed together, because this cookie, remember, we did it in 2 batches. So we're gonna cream all the sugar and the butter and the vanilla and the eggs together, then we're gonna add our flour in the end. into this, we're gonna add our flour and our salt and baking powder, and we're gonna mix this together. Then we're just gonna get them ready. So guys, I went ahead and I pre-cut my chocolate into little dices, and I leave some big chunks in there as well. You want to go ahead and just mix it all together into the dough. Place the dough in any shape that you want on the cookie tray. Just leave space between them because they will spread. Bake them at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes until they start to brown around the edges, and you take them out. So guys, my cookies are out of the oven. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and just remember to subscribe, like, and share with your friends and family. Bye guys, and see you in my next video.